How's it going, guys? Today we are out here to look at a Cat 314C. Not too sure what hose is busted on it. They just gave us a call, so we'll go take a look at it. You can see they got a lot of grading going on, building new houses. They ain't got time to stop. So the best thing they do, give Lumpkin Hose a call. We'll come out here, make the job easier while y'all continue to work. There ain't no time for downtime. So we're out here, got a 314. So what I'm gonna do is crank it up and see what I can see with fluid. So I started it. I was kind of looking around up front because you have all this that's wet. I see it coming through right in here. What we'll do is hop up here and take a look. What we'll do is work on getting access to the hose. Got quite a few down here, that way we can see a little bit better and determine which one is spraying. Now that we know the general area of the hose, I went ahead and took off some of these bolts. We'll be able to pop this cover off. Now we're going to go back through, start up the machine, come back over here and see what we can see. So if you're able to see right in here, you see this hose is just spraying fluid everywhere. So now that we've got the hose ID, we're going to shut it back off and work on getting the hose. So I turned the 314 sideways just so you got a couple plates over here on the bottom. Now I got a whole lot more room right here to be able to pop some of these plates off. The tracks aren't in the way. And I'll be able to trace that line exactly which direction it goes. Go ahead and pop those plates off. So I tied a string to it on this 90, that way I have a little bit more leverage. I can sit right here and look. You got about 6 or 7 hoses in one area. So I'll be able to wrap my hand around it, give it a little pull. Got a couple hoses moving with it. So we'll grab one of these, give it a little tug and see if we could feel that other end budge, which we did. Now that we've taken this panel off from up here behind the boom, we're able to see down and see all the hoses that curve into this wall. So now we'll be able to access each end of that hose, be able to pop it off and pull it out. Now I'll give it a little tug. Now that we got the hose off, bring this to the truck, get him a whole new hose, throw some new spiral wrap on there for him. I'll come back out here, pull it through, and test it. Alright, so what we're going to do now, get our measurements, get our overall length of the hose. Right there I got 49, but I always like to double check because it depends on these hoses. Just like that, I got 49 again. So our overall length of the hose is 49. Now that we got the overall, what I'm going to do is go through, check the sizes of these face seals. Now we know that they're both 3/4. You got the straight, and this is actually a long drop 90. Gives it more room to sit in there and not bump into the other hoses. So now we know what it is. We're gonna figure out the type of hose it is. So as we clean it up, we can look at it and see that it is spiral. So right now I'm just looking to see if I can see any type of pressure rating for this hose. So what I'll do is go look at one of the other hoses on the machine so we can match up the PSI rating. So I went through and checked some of the other hoses. They all seem to be about 4,000 PSI. So we know the customer's hose is rated for 4,000. Our go-to spiral is 4SH. It'll definitely hold up to the pressure. So we got our hose ready. We know we have a straight and a 90. So now we're gonna grab our fittings. So we got our overall length of 49, so we're going to get our cut length now, run these two up together, so we're at 44.5. And with this type of hose, you're looking at about a 1/2 inch stretch on it. You're talking 1/4 inch on each side. We'll do the cut length at 44, so you got a 1/4 inch stretch on each side to give it a little bit more to fit in place. Right on 44, right where we want it. Now we're gonna look at the crimp chart. We got our 3/4 4SH. Now we got a sky. Now that we got it skived, we're gonna get the fittings put on there. First one we're gonna do, of course, will be the 90. We're gonna go away from the bend, just like the curvature of the old hose, so they fit in exactly the same. So that's ready. What I like to do, since I know the 90 is going with the bend of the hose, I just give the neck a little mark and the hose itself. So when I go to crimp it on there, I'll be able to look at my lines and line them back up. spec for this, my crimp spec is 1.325. Put it on there at 1.325, right on the money. So now this one's gonna be a little bit different. This one is 1330. Go a little bit shy. Rather under crimp it, check it, and then go tighter if we need to. So we're a little ways off, so we're gonna go a little bit tighter. Crimp spec is 1.330. We are at 1.330. Now, so we got the new hose. I went ahead and put a plug in on it. That way when we pull it through, I won't have to worry about any dirt, grease, oil, anything getting inside the hose. We got the nut on there, getting it nice and snug, and then that way we can be able to twist the hose on this end so we can get her put where she needs to. Just like that. So now we'll go through, tighten up each end, and check the fluid, and then test it. What I did is stretch out all the cylinders, open them, close them back up, and make sure everything is nice and full of fluid. So now we're going to check, make sure our 90, everything down here is nice and good, nothing's leaking. Do the same thing over here. Check over at our hose that we replaced, nice and dry. Then we'll check the fluid level. He is golden. 314 is now complete. Came out today, looked at this Cat 314. Customer called, they had an unidentified leak. Showed up, turned the equipment on, noticed it was coming out of here, which of course can't see anything. Went through, took off all the panels, turned the equipment back on, found the hose. We traced the hose back down to the turntable, took the hose off, went to the truck, made them up a brand new hose, slapped it on there, turned on the equipment, checked over our hose and all the other hoses, make sure there wasn't any other leaks, any other damages to other hoses. Now that we got the equipment done, she's nice and full, ready to go. Time for me to hit the road.